Alright, hello everybody. My name is Brian Van Hook. I'm with the Florida SBDC at FIU. We're here with Miami Bayside Foundation and Kathleen Murphy. Kathleen, thanks for having us.
Thank you, Brian.
And so first I want to ask you, what is Miami Bayside Foundation?
Well, the Miami Bayside Foundation is an economic development organization that is designed to advance economic development in the city of Miami through the support of minority businesses and education. And we do this through our loans and educational programs.
Great. And that's great. And so you mentioned small businesses. Can you tell us about your programs that are specifically targeted to small businesses?
Well, we have two basic programs, which are the loans and the workshops that we do for the small businesses. The loans, we have two basic loan programs. One is the standard loan program that is from $10,000 to $75,000 with 3 to 5 year terms at 6%. And then we have the microloan program, which is $2,500 to $10,000, and that is an average of 2 years and 7% APR. And a couple of years ago, we partnered with Enterprise Florida, and through their state small business initiative, credit initiative, we're able to do loan participations up to $150,000. And last year we received a financial assistance grant from CDFI, which is part of the U.S. Treasury, and that is going to allow us to grow our loan portfolio substantially. And we are out there looking now for small businesses that we can help with loans.
And that's great that you guys are partnering with some of those organizations to kind of grow the capital that's available to local small businesses. And then I know that you guys also do workshops as well, right?
Yes, about 3 years ago we started doing small business training workshops, 25 hours long, over 5.5 weeks. We cover mostly financials and marketing, and also infrastructure, such as legal, how to look at leases, HR, sales, customer service, those kinds of things. And we've had 8 series of workshops, and we've graduated 161 small business owners.
Wow, that's great.
What we've done since 2011, we have given out or awarded 69 loans for $2.9 million to small businesses in the city of Miami, helping create more than 350 jobs. And on the education side, we have awarded more than $1 million to educational programs in the city, given out more than $900,000 in scholarships to minority students in the city, and we have $1.5 million in endowments at FIU, FMU, and Miami-Dade College.
Great. And lastly, now that everybody's heard about Miami Bayside, they've heard about your programs, they know that you're award-winning, where can they go to get in touch with Bayside or to learn more about your programs?
Well, if you want more information, you can go to our website at www.miamibaysidefoundation.org, or you can contact us directly by phone at 305-379-7070, extension 204, or email us at info@miamibaysidefoundation.org.
Cool. Well, thanks to Kathleen and her team for hosting us, and thanks to you guys for watching the video. Have a good week.